Here we are. Received the item from Goodwill. The box does not look like it was damaged or dropped on its top. However, the bottom is failing. So let's see if this survived its cross-country journey. Oh, this looks good. Okay. It's all wrapped together. That's good. Okay. It looks like it arrived in the same state that it's left in from first appearance here. This way instead. This will have a typewriter and 2 carriages and 2 front pieces. Alright. Well, damage there. Merging. Here we are. Oliver number 9. Ooh, it's cold. It's 25 degrees here today. I feel like this has been in the back of the truck all day. Alright. Well, this is my new project for the winter. I'm looking forward to digging in. Let's open these too, huh? These are the extra face plates. These right here. I should really have better tool openings with. Wrapped together, great. I'm sure they didn't rub on the trip. Okay. This is what it is. And here are the carriages. Alright, got the Oliver Typewriter, a little bit of paint. And we got the print type. It got here. It arrived in. And this is my first look at it. It's got the pencil holder here. It has a tight fit there, so it might have taken a fall here. Let's see how the keys work. Yeah, that's a good sign. That is great news. The vibrator is rusty, but in one piece. Now we can get a good look at the keys, see which typeface this is. I'll have to get one of these carriages in place and put in a piece of paper here shortly. I'm going to say hello to my Oliver number 9. Let's see what the model number is, or the serial number is. It's looks like it's 589062. Yeah, I think that's what it says.